Hello, everyone. Can you guys hear me? One, two, three. I guess you guys can hear me. Sunday stream, update stream. Hello, hello. So, um, I'm going to do a little update stream here and then answer some questions. A lot of stuff is happening. Some very exciting stuff is happening. Some stuff I just cannot talk about. So sorry about that. I wish I could talk about it. It would be very motivating for everybody, but I can't. Um, now, we are on the verge of putting many big features on production. This is also for people watching and also streamers watching. We will have AI chatting, and I think I will already, um, try it out on the stream today. I think AI Lila. I don't know if that's an AI. I think it is an AI. Yeah, the AIs are now uh, talking. Now, the thing is that the AI feature, once it's on production, I'm going to reach out to a few streamers and see what they like about it, have them give feedback and such, and see how that goes. So I see this be a potentially big feature. Maybe it falls flat. We will see. We'll actually get to know very quickly whether people like it or not. I know that when it comes down to streaming, chatting is a very big part of it, and that this AI chatting might be even a bigger, will probably be a bigger thing than the co-streaming, because co-streaming is more invasive. Of course, it can be very entertaining for a stream here and there, but AI chatting, if your chat is quite dead, it's a very nice way of of keeping it, yeah, just keeping your stream engaged. Yeah. So the AI chatters, I don't know. I think normally it should be done today on production. I don't know what the status of that. Um, yeah, I have no idea actually. Oh, I will. I don't know if Jan know if Reese knows when it's. I don't know if Reese knows when it's gonna be live. So what is the other thing? Okay, so that's one part. That's one part of the update. We'll know normally by next week whether this AI chatting is popular or not. Now the thing is, what I would like to do is there's several features that we're working on that are almost done. Of which you have the AI chatting is one of them. You have AI chat commands, allowing viewers to interact with the co-streamer. You have the wardrobe, which allows people to basically um, change their appearance however they want, um, for their co-streaming as well. We have already, I think, implement. I don't know if it's on production, but like a speeding up image generation from like 40 seconds to like between 10 and 20 seconds. Very big speed up, which is very, very nice. Um, and then we have the last one is video generation, of which I can maybe show you guys something. Let me see if I can. I will just show quickly one thing here, just so.
I think listening is not on. Yeah, you can start listening here.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, this is actually staging. They were still in the chat from last night, so you went live and they started talking.
Ah, I see.
It's actually cool to see.
So, when is it gonna be live?
Good question. I think any moment I'll check and let you know. If it isn't already, I'll check.
Okay. So what I'm gonna show here is the video generation tech we have. That we will be also using for new avatars. Athene is such a wannabe AI bro now. Man, these AIs, fuck off, man. Why can I not show? Why can I not share it? It's a bit annoying. Alright, so it's on production now, Dries? Oh, that's nice. By the way, Nolan, are you watching? Is Nolan watching? Yeah, can you send me the 2 video reels to Skype? Because I just can't send it to my PC, so I cannot show it on the stream. Yeah, Skype until they're shutting it down, man. You can also send it to me on Discord. It's also fine. Discord or Skype, you choose. AI chatbots are boring. Bring back WoW. Carly G, you are literally a fucking chatbot. Man, this chat. It's nice to be popular again. I really have a very active chat again. Another AI stream, fucking lame. Okay, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna save this to downloads. Save to downloads. So basically, we have video gen tech that we will have normally this week. The coming week we will have it, and I will just show you guys how it looks. So the video AIs will get a big upgrade. Like just, I mean, you guys know how AIs look, right? But this is how it's gonna start looking, you know? So this is all AI generated, this is like just idling, whatever. We can just do whatever clip. This is more quiet. So we will have one of the best AI video generation on the market, which is very exciting. And we will also be the cheapest, like by quite a margin. The idea is that we are 5 times cheaper, but what I would ideally want is to be, you know, like literally like The idea is that we're like 30 times cheaper than Kling.ai and 300 times cheaper than Google. That's what we're aiming for. Now, there is certain things we're planning to do, and I will explain it to you guys. Of course, a lot of people know that, we're also in the companion scene, and like the idea is that, the AIs will also send videos to people. Because right now you only get pictures, right? So you'll get videos like NSFW, whatever the fuck. What we are working on currently is the ability, like let's say you create your own AI, you will be able, like let's say, but this only works when you're a verified user. You can literally go to the website and you can just generate an entire NSFW scene, and you can just say what you want and it will generate it. Not just 5 seconds, like literally an entire fucking, scene. And the idea is that I will actually maybe even go to events like NSFW events, erotica events, or whatever, and just show this tech, because we will be the first to have this, where you can literally just generate full-fledged, I would say scenes. We can even make it so you can generate an entire fucking movie. Basically, but I think scenes is for the internet, scenes is more than enough, and just basically see where we can integrate with what services and stuff. So yeah, that's the idea for one part of the video generation. Another part of the video generation is to use it for generating the videos and also TikTok dances and shit like that. So if you create an AI, you'll literally have one place where you can generate, your TikTok dances, you'll just be able to generate whatever you want. That's pretty much the idea. Videos will be around 8 seconds. 5, well, I think you can do 2, 5, and 8 seconds, but you can also generate looping videos, which are very nice. Like looping videos are really good, by the way. It's really good if you want a longer video or whatever. You can just generate a looping video and it can, do whatever you want with it. It will be able to do everything. It will be able to do anime and realistic everything. Yeah. I do want to say our video tech is not as good as VO2, but it's very close to Kling AI. Yeah. We will also allow video to video. We will do that. We will have that as well. Maybe not immediately, but we will have it. I do want to say, when it comes down to certain functionality, it will be like the NSFW functionality and explicit, these two, right, will be behind verification, because we don't want a scenario where people can come and, create whatever they want. Yeah. So that is about the video generation, which I'm very excited about. I like how all the AIs are just yapping about me doing WoW content. Any chance we can get an API? I don't know. We will see. Yeah. All the AI chatbots have the same character and are saying the same thing, bit pointless. The thing is, the AI, you can basically customize them. You can customize them however you like. But also, what I do want to say is this is still in the process of being fleshed out. Yeah. You have way too many AIs at the same time. You can select, you can disable AIs as well. Yeah. It's fine. I mean, Dries, if you want it for testing, I don't mind, you know. But I wonder, can I, like, how do I disable it? Can I just disable it? Is there an easy way to disable it? Or do I need to remove the AIs? I have 19 AIs in the chat. I don't know if we need a remove all. What we need is just a like a disable. Just a disable button would be nice. Because if you remove all, yeah. So does watching the stream make the cost more or less? Dries, do you know if it's more expensive for AIs to watch the stream or is it the same? I have no idea, you know. No, vision. Because also these costs, I see here pricing, but is this even accurate? The pricing. I don't even know if this is accurate. These are placeholder numbers. And also the chat activity rate, weren't we gonna remove that? Well, but it's staging? Okay. But before we push to production, we need to make sure that that these numbers are properly calculated, right? Yeah. We already pushed to prod, which is fine, but like what are the numbers that we took? Just these random numbers? Because I don't see people use it right now anyway. Oh yeah. Well, I will run around for it and check with Cedric and Jan. Oh. I think when you randomly give the sub, it can go to AIs. But I don't think that they know when you give them a sub. Yeah. It's interesting that, you know, will the AI bot nickname be pre-named or can you make your own? The idea is that you might be able to make your own, but I'm a bit afraid of it because the way we do it is all our AIs are flagged as AI. So we're not pretending they are not a bot, which is very important. So if people add their own AI, yeah, they need an indicator that they're AI. So what we could potentially do is allow people to add an AI automatically, but there needs to be AI in the name of the AI needs to be part of the Twitch name. Yeah. I can barely follow the chat. Good for promotion, but this makes the chat hardly readable. We're just testing it. Like literally everything is enabled. I can remove all the AIs, you know. I can do it now. Let's see if that works. Wait, I'm fixing it myself. Let me, don't take over my PC, please. I know how to do this. Let's just do it like this. Okay, so now all the AIs are disabled. Save changes. I don't know if that's working. Does it take a while to get disabled or? Oh, yeah, it might take a moment. Okay. The video generation will be live, I hope, this coming week. No. It looks like the AIs are all disabled now. Yeah. The chat is dead. Okay. Yeah, I can show you the video here quickly. Here, this is how the video quality will be. So like the AIs will start looking like this instead, you know, when they talk, instead of like this. Oh. Yeah, this is next gen, yeah. Yeah, co-streaming will be like that, yeah. Yeah, we will use the tech for calling as well, yeah. Can they flash their banks? Yeah, man, they can. Like the idea is that you can literally even generate, if you own the AI, the idea is that you can generate entire explicit scenes, full-fledged scenes. So literally imagine, right? Because what the idea is that I'll give you guys here an idea that, you know, that I see us that we will the explicit stuff will already be there this week, I think. But you won't be able to generate it unless you create your own AI. If you create your own AI and you own it, and it's, you know, your own stuff, then you can generate whatever you want. But you can't go and generate explicit stuff from other streamers. Now, the idea is that also when you chat with AIs, they will also start sending you videos. That's not going to be for next week, but we will have that as well. But imagine you go to the site, right, and you have all these streamers that enable it. So you can literally go there, you can create your own AI as well, which is you. And then literally like you can generate videos, they get a cut. They need to enable that, right? And then your AI can be banging the other AI. You get me? In video. Which is really like, it's the future of NSFW. Like, this is just crazy. Like, yeah, it's going to, I assume, right, once we have it, which we will have it, it's not even going to be that much far away. It's going to go viral, because a lot of the stuff, right, what people, I actually genuinely think it's going to go viral. The idea is also that you can say what you want, you know. It's not just, you know, you go and you get some like, you can literally just say like, oh yeah, you know, I want the scene, you know, the AI tells me how, you know, how pretty he is, or how big my dong is, or whatever the fuck, you know, and then I go to the forest, and then, you know, I go, you know, nice into action, and bam, you generate, and it just generates an entire video for you. Yeah. That's the idea. Do you plan to add the watermark to video to help it spread? Initially, not so much. No. Also, we have really very strong guardrails against that kind of stuff. That should be a must from day one. Bro, we will see. Yeah, maybe after the bugs are fixed. Can you show some more examples of video gen? If Nolan sends me a few more examples, I can show you. Nolan, can you send me some more stuff? I don't know if he's watching. The video gen of Morkpie looked crazy. Man. You think that looks crazy? I can show you stuff. You'll be like, what the fuck is this, man? But yeah, for us, the main goal, right, is to make sure that it's cheap. So that there's actually one thing that we're looking into to optimize. If we're able to do that, would literally allow people to try it for free. And I would really like to do that. If you can go to the website and just generate a lot of videos for free, like really a lot, right? I think that will do shit tons, because we would be the only service online where you can go and generate videos for free. But it requires us to optimize the costs, at least initially. You'd be hit with so much abuse if it's free, like initially, just to get the word out, you know. People can use it to generate any type of videos. NSFW, SFW, whatever the fuck. Now, the thing is though, like, as a free user, you won't be able to generate explicit in an SFW. We cannot allow that. That's gonna get us in trouble. But if you create your AI, let's say you have your own fantasy AI, you can create it. Then you can generate the wildest shit you want. You can't generate anything, you know, illegal. Yeah, we could just allow Ghibli pics. Maybe that's not a bad idea. Just Ghibli. Oh yeah, I'll show you some more videos here. Like Nolan, do you have like, can you show the tango and stuff? Or I don't know if that one is good. Because this is, a lot of this is also just, we're testing stuff, right? But I don't know. Let me see here. Where? Okay, here. Uh, by illegal, you mean no kid stuff? Well, obviously. Man, that shit, you are fucking banned. We are very strict when it comes down to that shit. Obviously, very, very strict. Um, isn't it crazy that we are really creating all this tech? I think it's quite crazy, you know. We're really an AI, yeah, just an AI. Okay, here another one. I mean, this is just like, you guys can see, right? It's legit now. I mean, it's not like, this is 8-second videos. We have a few other ones, but these are not as great, but I'll just show it. You'll be able to just spam generate until you have something nice, you know. Wait, no, it's not that word. Is it this one? Let me see here. I'm gonna make sure I don't show anything explicit. Oh yeah. This is just some rando stuff, you know. Okay. So yeah. I mean, you can also generate fantasy shit, whatever the fuck. What's the chance of a failed generation? It depends what you prompt it for. But the way it's gonna work is you'll be able to generate 10 videos at once in 1.5 minutes of 2 seconds for very cheap. I think 30 cents or something for 10 videos. So that's 3 cents a video. And then when you want to generate, if you like a preview, you can go like, I want this. And then it generates an actual video for like one video will be 20 cents, but it takes 10 minutes. Now, that's the idea. Now, if we are managing to optimize, then we can maybe /5 the costs and the speed. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if there's anything else. But yeah, the idea with our video gen, you will be able to go NSFW and explicit, which is not possible with any other services. And you will also be able to generate full-fledged videos, like entire 1 minute explicit videos, which you cannot do with other services either. And it will also be cheap. And you can also, you know, have really your likeness. No, you would be able to use the video generation for anything. So like the way it's going to work is when you go to the page, right? You can generate anything you want. Just like, you know, Sora or Kling. But then if you generate an AI, if you make your own AI, you can specialize and say, I want this AI in my videos. And then it will really, you know, get that likeness nailed, like what I show you, right? What I show you here, like the reason why Morkpie really looks like Morkpie, right? Almost indistinguishable. It is because, oh, that's another one. It is because it's trained on her, right? So if you create your AI, you can literally create, like, she keeps her likeness, right? Normally AI tech is not there. Like if you go to Kling or whatever, you do image to video, you don't keep the likeness. It loses it. The reason why this keeps the likeness is because it's trained on her. So people will be able to train their own AIs. When you train your own AI, it's going to be better than anything out there. It's going to be better than OpenAI. It's going to be better than VO for that AI specific, right? So if you train Mickey Mouse, right, like if you create a Mickey Mouse character, it's going to really look like Mickey Mouse and consistent in all your videos that you generate. I just want to say that. Yeah. Can you give clues about the thing you're not allowed to talk about? What I can just say is when you see the tech that we provide, right, that I showcase like every week, right, there is startups that get hundreds of millions of dollars in funding for a fraction of what we are showing. And they're not even in production yet. So you can put the dots together. Yeah, like there is some potential really crazy stuff that's going to go happen. Like potentially, we'll see. I don't want to talk much more about it, but I do want to say things might change dramatically. I want to say that. Because of course I'm showcasing this tech every week and people watch it, they go like, oh yeah, you got video, oh yeah, you're like literally if you go and, I mean, we have 11 labs, we have Kling, we have, you know, what is it, character.ai, we have everything in one site, everything. I know that people are not so much aware of it. If I go to, you know, to an event, right, and I showcase the tech we have, like we steal the show. It's like I know that people watch the stream and always go like, oh yeah, Athene, this and that. Like we are sitting on crazy tech, like crazy tech. I mean, I'm just saying, it's just we are very underground about it, but not anymore. Like we are actively, you know, being in a very good position. We're also being reached out to by very big players, very big players. I just want to say that. But that's pretty much it. Listen to Smushy, like, but Smushy can send the feedback to Nolan. Oh. When can I use this AI tool? Video, not yet. This week. But not this week, but so far it's mainly like, oh. How would training an AI for video look like if it's not based on a real person? Even there, right? It's like the way we are looking at it, right? Oh yeah, I will prove the haters wrong. I will prove like, man, I can tell you, but the thing is haters won't even be haters anymore. Because if we're really successful, right? It's like people won't hate me anymore. Everybody will be happy. You go like, whoa, Athene was right. He was great. Yeah, I'm glad I trusted him, and that's it. You know, like it's like, you know, once you're successful, everybody turns around. You know, I'm glad we took the AI route though. It's it's really nice. Yeah, it's really nice. Like I do sometimes wonder, right? I do these update streams. I show the tech, and it's like, oh yeah, we got video gen now. We got AI chatting. Like we have all these things, right? And people go like, oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah. I'm not giving you guys keep the expectations low. I didn't tell like I'm not telling you guys jack shit. I'm just saying things are looking really nice, but that's it. I'm not going further than that. You know, I'm not coming here and talk about more stuff. Oh. The idea, if you want to create an AI, the idea is we might have a workflow where you can just use one image. Like the thing is, when you go to the site, you can already create an AI with 1 or 3 images. But if you want a really like a very good likeness copy, we do a professional training ourselves. We can do that. That's what we do with like with Morpie and everything. We use our own professional flow, and there you need like 25 images. Now we might create a flow where you just need one image, and it really does a very good job. But we're not investing much time in it. But we can do it. Yeah. I just spent $130 on Kling. We'll try yours. Like ours is not live yet. But yeah, if you spend $130 on Kling, you'd be able to get for $130 you'd be able to get so much video stuff from our stuff. But I don't know how many people would actually use it, you know. We'll see. Will it be connected? Can you add a visual character as a chatbot in the same likeness? Of course. It's all connected. Yeah. If it's just as good but cheaper, I will use it. It will be a lot cheaper, but I don't know if it will be as good. I don't know, like if you see this stuff, is this good? I don't know. Do you think this is good? I mean, this looks good like for talking, right? But like if you, I mean, if you go like where is it, the Tango, whatever, like some videos. I mean, here if you look at that, there is some strange things, you know. It doesn't look too bad, but of course, if you generate 10 of these videos, one of them will look good, you know. I work with NSFW game developers. We've been trying to find NSFW video generation, but no one offers it. We will have it. We will be the first one to offer it. But what I would actually... Happy birthday, Sam. Like what we will do is try and basically work together with very big NSFW websites. Pornhub or OnlyFans or Fansly. Like I will see if we can integrate our technology on their site so that we don't have to worry about the marketing and also the um, like the marketing and the uh, uh, yeah, all the other shit. Oh. So that's pretty much it. Oh. I mean, I have no issues with porn, man. Seriously, who gives a shit? It's like there is no taboo. There's literally like people are more desensitized about people getting bombed than porn. Like it's just the world upside down. Oh. Can you use purpose with the new AI? We will like the moment that we are. I always say it. The moment that we are having a lot of people using our tech, we will provide this. We will provide purpose and Doobie. Yes, we will. The moment that it's successful. Right now, it's just not a priority to integrate with it. But the moment a lot of people are using, we will do it. Yes. At a discount, always. Yeah. Are the user numbers growing? Do you have any graphs? The chatters are quite consistent. The amount of users that are using it for chatting. Chatting is actually the most popular thing. When it comes down to co-streaming and image gen, it's gone down a bit. Mainly because we're not really putting any effort in marketing. Nothing at all. We're mainly, and there is reasons for it. There's actually reasons for it. It's not because it's a fail or whatever, it's because there's other priorities. We are trying to pump out as much functionality as possible, as fast as possible, for certain reasons. Yeah. Could people sue if they use someone else's face to make NSFW vid? The way it's gonna work is if you want to be able to make NSFW content, you need your AI to be approved, and we go manual through the approval. And if and if we see it's someone that is famous or whatever, or it's not you, then your AI doesn't get approved. Oh. Yeah. Very exciting times ahead. Yeah, if it's for fat GD Vance memes, we don't care. Yeah. Can you actually do that? Parody porn. Does that actually exist? No, you don't get away with that, right? Or do you? Actually, you do. Is it illegal or not? I have no idea. Wasn't there like back then with Sarah Palin, a porn that came out? Did they lose or win? I have no idea, man. Sounds a bit discriminatory that you're allowing it on people. Man, we're just joking. We gotta be careful with. Uh, I mean, that's pretty much it. A nice update stream. I would like to have these features all. Yeah, that's what I want to say. What I want is all these features. So like video generation, AI chatting, AI commands, wardrobe, where you can change the appearance of your co-streaming AI. And what is the last thing? Yeah, speeding up of image gen. I would like these 5 things to be done on production. Then I will send a video to all the streamers we have made an AI for, all of them, saying if they want their own AI avatar, because we need to train that. So that's 300 streamers that we will contact, and we will also tell them there is AI chatting and everything. and just see from there how it goes. Also, there is one thing about the voice, right? I do want to say something about the voice. We can actually, did you guys see Sesame? The really human voice, right? We could make something that is not exactly like that, but close. Close to Sesame, where, you know, the person or the AI can moan or whatever the fuck, can make, you know, weird sounds and stuff. Breathe and pause. But yeah, it's quite some work. It's just quite some work. We were thinking of doing it. The thing is, like, we can either do it now or we can wait a bit longer and get quite some, because when it comes down to AI, there's a lot of opportunities that pop in and out from nowhere. And sometimes I rather like to wait a bit longer before, you know. Yeah. But like what you guys can see from the video tech, I mean, if you see the video tech, right, where we have come from, right? Yeah, like we will have mega next gen video generation tech, and we will also, I think, this year have really good voice. So by the end of the year, I think we will have really good video, lifelike video with voice. It's kind of crazy that we will have all of that. It's kind of crazy. Well, focus on video generation of conversation so it can wave if you ask it for it during the call. Nah, man, that is really, that requires real-time video generation, bro. We're not there yet. We're not there yet at all. That will take a while before we are there. I think 5 years, if not longer. Wait, but Robin, like, these videos is, we generated these videos. It's ours. It's this is our yeah, our tech, bro. It's long videos too, you know. It's not like a few seconds. Ah, nobody can do real time, yeah. Yeah. Did Morpie see the videos? I will contact her. I will contact all the streamers. The thing is, like, the reason why I showcase Morpie is because she put her AI public. So I don't mind making AI using her to try out the tech. Yeah. But I know that if we will send out all the videos, right, to everybody, it's gonna be like with a lot of hype. People will be really like, whoa. All these streamers will be like, whoa, I want this. Because I don't know if we have it. Do we have dances? Because you can do TikTok dances too. I don't know if we have it. If I have demos for that, but we will make it so you can also generate TikTok dances, which is fucking dank. Yeah. Nolan is working on it. Okay. So I have done yeah, I've given you guys an update. I don't know if you guys have any more questions before I call it a day. Video tech will be, you will be able to use video to video, image to video, image to image to video. So you can say start and end image. And so you'll have video to video, image to video, text to video, and image to image video. You will have all of that. I don't know if we will have that next week, but we will have that in the next couple of weeks, all of it. Yeah. Yeah, we will also have video looping. We'll have video looping too. Like you can generate a video and you can just say, I want this video to loop. Yeah. Yeah. But like honestly, I don't know how popular it will be. I don't know how popular video generation tech will be. Because we have the best image gen on the on yeah. Adding sound effects is also, we could do that quite easy. Adding sound effects. We might do that too. You can just generate sound, but that's not gonna be for next week. Yeah. So yeah. 80-month streak. Yeah. Okay. Let's see who I can raid. I don't know who I can raid. Maybe just Trump or Biden, because we improved Trump or Biden quite a bit. It's actually very funny whenever I watch it. Maybe I'll just rate Trump or Biden, man. Maybe, let me see here. Yeah, she is. I'll rate her. I will actually have her try the AI out. I will have her try out the AI. Yeah, I will. The AI chatting. Okay. I will raid Michi. And I will see you guys next week. Yeah, very exciting things are happening. Peace out.